YouTube is the latest media platform to block President Trump. In a tweet, a YouTube insider account said it removed new content uploaded to President Trump's channel for violating their policies. This in light of concerns about the ongoing potential for violence. The Trump account now has its first strike and is temporarily prevented from uploading new content for a minimum of 7 days. YouTube is also disabling the ability of users to comment on the videos in President Trump's channel. So another platform effectively, in this case, deplatforming the president temporarily.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.